And we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and as promised, they are repairing the new boards on the boardwalk.
We're going to show you how thick they are. Let's see how far it goes down.
Just in time for a busy season. It's beautiful April 2022. And it's already getting crowded.
Let's look at the ocean. Alright, we can see it all the way down.
Hey, did you, yeah, it looks good. Look, they got all kind of different colors.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they all look like more. See them?
We caught them in construction. Oh, I don't know. See right here?
Yeah, I know. Galvanized nails.
So they said Dirty Don's down here is getting a new floor because half of it is, half of their restaurant is on the boardwalk.
Oh, wow.
Or something like that. So we'll see what they're talking about.
All right.
There's some gaps. I don't know. I guess they're going to fix those. So Hurricanes is busy when we're not around. There's some more right here. So it went down through here now.
So I guess they're all getting new boards then, just not Dirty Don.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess they had to remove and replace some of the items from other restaurants. Let's get them here. And it feels good walking on it too, don't it?
Love it.
Feels better than the wood.
Yeah. And since it's the deck composite, I'm sure that you won't be getting splinters in your feet either. Because I don't think these things splinter off, do they?
Okay.
There it is. Dirty Don's got a new floor just like the rest of them. See it?
So. So far, here's the end of the new construction. some of the old boardwalk pieces. So we'll check out some of the rest of the existing boardwalk here while people play volleyball on this beautiful April. Got that. All right. So it looks like a lot of things have been removed here. So I guess they're going to continue to go on down. And there's the 14th Avenue Pier. And the boardwalk goes all the way down to the 2nd Avenue Pier, if you can see it way off in the distance there. If you can hear me on this windy day, it's pretty windy out here. Well, that's an updated look at the boardwalk here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Make sure you like and subscribe.